Alright guys, today I'm going to blow your mind, because what you're about to see is absolutely insane. I started with just one simple photo. Nothing fancy, just a plain photo of a lady. No studio, no professional camera, no makeup artist, nothing. Honestly, it's the kind of picture you'd probably take on your phone and never even post online because it looks too basic. But here's the twist. I decided to upload that same photo into NanoBanana, Google's brand new AI tool, and the results shocked me. NanoBanana basically takes your normal photo and transforms it into professional, jaw-dropping studio portraits with just a simple text prompt. And the craziest part? This isn't Photoshop. This isn't some expensive editing software. You don't need any editing skills. It's literally just typing what you want, and boom, NanoBanana does the rest. And the link is open right now. If you want to try it out while you watch, just go to aistudio.google.com. That's where NanoBanana lives. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you 10 different transformations, all from this exact same plain photo. And by the time you see the last one, you'll understand why people are calling this the future of photography. Here's the original. Just look at it for a second. Nothing wrong with it, but let's be honest, it's not a portfolio picture. If you were scrolling through your gallery, you'd probably skip it. But watch this. Prompt 1. Enhance this plain photo into a professional studio portrait with soft beauty lighting. Prompt 2. Turn this photo into a cinematic portrait with dramatic shadows and spotlight. Prompt 3. Transform this photo into a luxury fashion magazine cover shot. Prompt 4. Edit this into a professional LinkedIn headshot with clean white background. Prompt 5. Make this look like a high-end beauty brand campaign photo. Prompt 6. Upgrade this into a glamorous red carpet studio portrait. Prompt 7. Transform this into a black and white artistic studio portrait with high contrast. Prompt 8. Turn this into a vibrant fashion shoot with bold colors and styled lighting. Prompt 9. Make this look like a fine art painted portrait with hyper-realistic studio detail. Prompt 10. Transform this simple photo into a cinematic wedding-style portrait with dreamy lighting. Can you believe that all 10 of these transformations came from one single image? No retakes, no different angles, no makeup team, no studio lights. Just one upload, 10 prompts, and NanoBanana did the rest. This is why people are losing their minds over NanoBanana. It's not just an editing tool. It's a revolution in photography. Imagine this. Photographers can use it to enhance their shoots, models can create portfolios without hiring a team, businesses can create ad campaigns without studios, and everyday people can have professional quality photos just by uploading a selfie. Now, here's the fun part. You can try this right now. Just go to aistudio.google.com. Upload one of your pictures, yes, even the plain ones you think are boring, and type in any style you want. Do you want to look like a movie star? Do you want to look like you're on a magazine cover? Or do you just want a clean headshot? NanoBanana will do it for you. So here's my challenge for you. Go try NanoBanana today, create your best transformation, and drop it in the comments. I'll even feature the craziest before and afters in my next video. After NanoBanana, the photography game will never, ever be the same again.